Welcome to this Studyzone Top Tips video. Studyzone.tv activities make an excellent homework task. Many games automatically adapt their questions to meet the students' needs, whilst instant feedback and the inclusion of leaderboards stimulate students to achieve more. To create a homework activity, select Manage Homework from your control panel, and then select Create New Homework Task. This screen is broken up into three main sections: the activity picker, the homework expectations, and the student selector. Let's start by picking the activity we wish to set for homework. If we know the lesson ID, we can enter it, or we can use a search term such as 1000. If necessary, we can preview the activity to check it's appropriate, then click Allocate to set the task. If we wish, we can enter some custom instructions for our students, perhaps to remind them to use a specific method we've been working on, or we can simply keep the instructions as they are. Once we've chosen our activity, we need to select the homework expectations. These are the requirements for the homework for it to be marked as completed. I'm going to state that my students must play the game for 20 minutes and answer at least 100 questions. Both these criteria must be met for the homework to be ticked off. If we prefer, we can leave all the criteria blank. Doing this creates what is known as a sticky task. This is an ongoing activity that the student may work on over a number of weeks. They can never complete the task, but instead must wait for it to be marked off by their teacher. Our final step is to select which students this homework is for. We can either select a pupil group, such as Red Table Maths, or pick individual students. We can now click to create our homework task. Let's now switch to a student account. As you can see, when they log in, they are presented with a flag to tell them they have homework to complete. Clicking this reveals the tasks and their criteria, from where the student can open the activity and work on their homework. If they believe they're finished, they can return to their learner dashboard to see if they're done, or to see if more work is needed. Completed homework is moved to the Recently Completed Tasks section. As a teacher, we can easily monitor homework activity from the Manage Homework page. Clicking See Activity will show us what our students have done and who has completed the task. We can also manually mark off homework if, for example, the student had a good excuse, say they were unwell. Once we're happy all our homework is accounted for, we can click Archive Homework to hide it from view. Be sure to check out other top tip videos at the Studyzone.tv blog.